Ah, Victoria Day weekend, the time to open the cottage for the season. Lovely, grey weather. I'm sure Lake Huron's nice and warm. Funny, I don't remember leaving that switched on. I thought it would be a good time to install the new hardware on the dresser I restored last year. It's from the Hickory Hardware Deco collection. I had to make a special order as the screw holes in the lower drawers were 3 inches apart, an impossible size to get in my local stores. I would like to have used the original poles, but I didn't have all of them, so I got something that matched the look of the dresser. The newer ones are quite nice and I think look quite good, and the top drawer poles are actually quite close to the originals. They're pretty close. On the 2-hole poles, there are actually pegs that stick out the back that the screws go into. And the diameter of the pegs matches the diameter of the holes, and so I'm just press fitting them in. And it's working quite well. There we go. And then I just screw them in from the back. I was actually afraid the screws would be too long and I had to cut them shorter. But it worked out fine for these ones. The round knobs for the top drawer were a different story.
That is kind of short.
They have a concave back, making the screws too short.
It's a little too big, I think.
So it came the drill to countersink them.
It's a lot soft on your side.
And some more drilling in this really bad shot before I was able to screw them in.
Aha, got it.
Just driving in a couple of proud nails here. I think the new hardware looks really nice. I do kind of wish I kept the two-tone effect for the top drawer, but this is definitely a giant improvement to how I found it.